Hey, what's up, man? My name is Jason, and I'm the founder of dadbod Health and the Man Up community. I'm currently in the best shape of my life at almost 40 years old, but it hasn't always been that way, and I want to share a little story about that. So, I'm a registered nurse, I'm a personal trainer, fitness nutrition specialist, and I did health coaching for almost 10 years prior to starting my business. And prior to all this, I was in a really dark place. Now, you may or may not be in as dark a place as I was in, but I want to share my story with you so you know exactly why I started dadbod Health and specifically the Man Up community. So, before I started my weight loss journey and my fitness journey, like I said, I was in a dark place and I knew what I wanted to do. I knew that I wanted to lose the weight so that I could get rid of the low back pain, get rid of the low libido, get rid of the low energy levels, and quite frankly, be able to take off my shirt and feel confident again. But what I really wanted was to be loved and accepted by my wife, become the stud or the hunk that I feel like she married, and really be the role model for my son that I always dreamed of. I never knew that I would let myself get into the position that I got into, but 60 pounds crept up on me pretty quick, and it was time to take action. So I didn't really know where to start, and with all of my knowledge and experience as a registered nurse and a personal trainer and fitness nutrition specialist, I was pretty humiliated and embarrassed by the way that I had let myself get into this state. So at first, I decided to try to take the easy way out, or what I consider the shortcuts, and I tried a lot of the fad diets. I tried low carb, I tried keto, I tried Whole30, you name it, I tried it, and none of those were very sustainable for me. I would have success for a couple weeks and get some results, in addition to the long hours of cardio that I was doing. And I thought that that was going to be my recipe for success, because I would get some results for a couple weeks and then I would have that one bad meal, that one cheat meal that they call it, and the scale would balloon back up. And so after continuously going up and down with this constant yo-yoing, I decided that I needed to be the one to figure out a solution, because to be quite honest with you guys, I wasn't willing to give up all my favorite foods to get results when I knew that there was a better way. So burgers, pizza, tacos, even beer, you see my logo here. I love burgers and beer, and those are something that I really just didn't want to give up. So I got to work and I decided that I was going to figure this out on my own. So I started really working hard, and I came up with this perfect structure, well, I thought was perfect at the time, to follow, and I started to get some really good results. And I decided that I was going to commit to it for a full 2 months and see what happened. So I got to work. I was working out. I was doing all the things that I put in the plan. I was really tracking my meals and still enjoying food, but really trying to dial it all in. And I got some results for 2 months, but I didn't really have a lot of excitement in regards to the results that I was getting, because they weren't as optimal as I thought that they should be. So at that time, I realized that I wasn't sleeping very well and that I was highly stressed due to a lot of work deadlines and everything else I had going on in my life, that I didn't have all my health habits dialed in like they needed to be in order for me to get the results that I was seeking. So I went back to the drawing board, created the new perfect plan, and then the magic started happening, man. Once I got all my health habits dialed in and got everything aligned with where I wanted to be and who I wanted to become, the fat started melting off like butter. I went on to lose 60 pounds in about 9 months, was later featured in Men's Health for my own body transformation. But that's not all. The best thing that came of this was that I felt attractive for my wife again. I felt like she loved me, I felt like she accepted me, but also saw me as the leader of our family in every aspect, including health. More importantly, I was now the role model for my son that I'd always dreamed of being. I wanted him to be able to look up to me in every area of life, especially with health, because I believe that health is wealth, and I believe that every father has the moral and ethical obligation as well as responsibility to make themselves a priority, so that they can be around long-term for their children and watch them grow up to pursue greatness. I was finally able to be proud of the leader of my family that I had become. And that is why I started dadbod Health and the Man Up community. So I would like to invite you to try out the Man Up community 7 days completely free, so that you too can experience some of the amazing benefits within the community. This is a community of men all looking to come together to work towards a common goal. It's not about getting ripped and shredded. It's not about going on an extra jog a week or eating an extra salad a week. This is all of the men in the community working to become the healthiest version of themselves. Within the Man Up community, you're going to have access to not only our private accountability community and support community, but you're also going to have access to the dadbod Health Fitness app with an entire library of workouts to choose from so that you can go at it at your own pace. I have everything in there from beginner to advanced workouts, walking. If you just want to do some walking in the beginning, that's a-okay. The bottom line is I want you to feel like you can go at your own pace, work towards becoming the healthiest version of you, and not feel the pressure of any of these ridiculous programs out there that make you eat chicken, brown rice, and broccoli. We celebrate our cheat meals in the Man Up community, and I put them in the newsletter every single week so that everybody can know exactly who ate what and we can celebrate with each other. So in addition to that, you'll also be added to the newsletter, which includes healthy recipes, up-to-date men's health information, really just a lot of valuable information to help you continue working on becoming the healthiest version of you. So if that sounds like something that you're ready to take on and work to become the leader of your family in every aspect, click the link below, come join the Man Up community today, 7 days for free, and I can't wait to help you.